Hello friends. How are you? Today I will tell you how to download mp3 songs in any iPhone without downloading any app. You just need to follow some simple steps. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to add a shortcut name, download file, in your iPhone. I am providing a link for it in description. Tap on Get Shortcut. Scroll down at the end of the screen. Tap on Add Untrusted Shortcut. Open YouTube. Search the song or video whose mp3 you want to download. Play the video. Tap on Share button. Tap on Copy link. Now, open your Google Chrome browser. Search for YT1's mp3. I hardly recommend you to go on ytwns.com. It is safe and doesn't have any pop-up tabs. Paste the copied link in the search box. Wait for the conversion. Tap on Download. You are on the right place if the song is playing. Tap on Share icon. Now simply copy the link. Open Shortcut app. In My Shortcuts, search for Download File. App on it. Wait for download. Now select the location where you want to save it. Then tap on Save. Open your file manager. Go to the location where saved it. It's done. You successfully downloaded an mp3 song in iPhone. Note: if you do the same process in Safari browser, your mp3 file will save in iCloud storage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like the video.